When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Grower's Garden. It's time to get high. Go to Goliath Grower's Garden.
What is up, YouTube? Goliath Grower here. Got a little update for you. Right here we have a package from Mars Hydro, and we're gonna get straight to opening it and seeing what's in there. It is 2 boxes, plus there is a package right on top, it looks like. It's a little bag. It says Mars Hydro on the tag. Alright, so that's cool. Mars Hydro SP250. Mars Hydro SP200 consumes 245 watts, so it pulls 245 watts on average from the wall. We're going to test that in a minute. Right there's all the specs are on it, right on the front. And then I'll run up the light. This is like a little close-up of the light. It's got a bunch of little LEDs in it. That's cool. And here's the side. No fans whatsoever. A little gap in the fins. And here's the top. This right here is the top of it. It says Mars Hydro again on there. And then it's got this driver on it. This is the driver that they use. So pretty sweet. Comes with a little card right here. Rope ratchet light hanger. Got 2 hangers right here. There's one by itself. So they gave me 2 of those, one for each end. And they gave me the ratchet rope with 2 solid carabiners, and there's 2 of them. Cool. Alright, we have our hangers here. We have 2 hangers, one right here, one right here. And we have 2 ratchet rope pulley systems, one right here and one right here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to attach these and hang the light. We're going to get right into it. So you just take this, and it's got the 2 hooks on it right here. And if you see right here, there's an area to hook them in. Right here. Anywhere you want on this entire light. You hook it right into there. You hook the other side in. It almost does it by itself. So you got that on there. And then you take this, which is what you're going to hang the light with. This part up top, right here, stays on the top. This is how you hang it. You hang this to your D-ring or to the poles at the top of your tent. And then this part attaches to the light. So we're going to do that. That's all you do right there. Now you can take it by this and pick it right up. See how easy that is? So we'll get the other side and we'll show you how to hang it. We got her all hung up, and the carabiner right here that they sent with the pulley system isn't big enough to go over the pipe in my tent. So not a big deal. All I did was I took a zip tie, a real strong zip tie, and I put it around the pole, and then I put the carabiner in the zip tie. So works perfect. Now I can take my slack rope. I got a little coil of slack rope up here, and I can just put that right there above the pipe, in between the top of the tent and the pipe, or the pole. And then same thing, I did the same thing over here. So I'll just take my extra rope right here. There. We got our rope up there, out of the way. And then, since there are no fans in this, and when this light is on, like this one is right here, when this when this light is on, these drivers get really hot. Alright, that's really hot right there. And then the fins get hot too. Not as hot, but they get hot. So what I did over here is I took a zip tie, and there's a cord coming from the light to the driver, and then the power cord goes from the driver to the outlet. Alright, well what I did, since it does get so hot up here and I don't want it to melt the cord, I just took a zip tie and I mounted it around the pole at the top of the tent and through the cord. So the cord is basically just floating there. So something I would suggest doing. gonna plug this light in. Let's see what she looks like. Wow. She is bright. Look at that. And I can see all the colors in there. This thing is actually pretty bright. Wow. Let's see if I can take you up there. Will it focus on the light? Kind of. You can kind of see all the colors in there. Very nice. This is very nice. Alright, we got the lights off right now and hanging in the tent. And I'm just going to show you how powerful they are when you turn them on. Wow, that's bright. I hope you guys are wearing sunglasses, because that is bright. I'll turn them off. That's pretty cool. They're like stars. Alright, let's get to the light test. So as you can see, I have one light on and one light off. We're going to test the power. Right here, the power consumption. This is the cord right here to the light that's not plugged in, of course, or that's not on. We are at amps right now. We're going to plug it in right here. And it is reading, oh wow. Wow, it didn't even go over 2 amps. It's at 1.97 amps. And that's with the other light plugged in here. Now let's see if I pull this out, what happens. Oh, it'll get dropped even a little bit. So it's at 1.93 amps all by itself. I wonder why that is when you unplug this from there. Either way, it's under 2 amps. So let's unplug that again and go down to watts. 200. There we go. 222 watts. That's all it's consuming, is 222 watts. Now when I plug the other light in, does it go up? Nope, it doesn't go up. It stays at 222, so that's cool. So together, we have 444 watts and less than 4 amps. And it's definitely covering this 4x4 tent with no problem. These lights are no joke, they're bright. They are bright. So I'm gonna get some plants in here. Definitely gonna get some plants in here and start breeding. I got 4 ready to go in and 1 male ready to start spitting all over everything. So tune in for that. We'll see you on the next one. Make sure you go and check out Mars Hydros. They have very nice lights. This isn't the first light I've had by them. I've been growing with them since the beginning. Just behind this one I have 3 Mars Hydro reflectors. So go check out Mars Hydro and check out this SP200. It only pulls 1.8 amps, 225 watts. There's a link in the description for the lights, and there is a coupon code or discount code that you can use. The discount code is Goliath. You'll see it right there at the bottom of the screen. Again, the link is in the description. Check them out. Pick one of these lights up. They are very nice. They sent me 2 of them, so I'm going to be doing a grow with them, with 2 of them. And I'll show you guys how it goes. Check that link out. Use that coupon code Goliath. Yeah.
When it's time to get high, go to Goliath Growers Garden. It's time to get high. Go to Goliath Growers Garden.